Yes, folks, here we come to our first probably bear jam. All the cars up ahead, as far as we can see, are stopped. That's why Cades Cove takes a while to get through. Really want to be under a tree right now. Okay, it's 10:44 and we had been stopped since 10:20 and we found out that there was a tree in the road, so brake lights ahead, so I think maybe we'll be on the way. No bear jam this time.
The news as I have it, we've been stopped for about almost an hour, and I walked up to see if any news on how far the tree down was. A Tipton cabin is what they're saying, and they're also saying that there's another tree down further behind us and they might reroute traffic, but they do have chainsaw crews on the way, and we'll see how long we're here. I might have to take a bathroom break in the woods like a few other people. Look, we're turning around. They're gonna have us go out the other way. Isn't that exciting? All right, for those of you who have never been to Cades Cove driving, you never go this way. We're going backwards to the mill area for some sort of guided exit, hopefully. It's a car jam as to how to get out of the field. How long will it take? It is 1:55 and we are on our way out. Hopefully I'll be able to get a glimpse of what caused the delay. Like that. Could have been it right there.
Yeah. That's what I thought too.
I bet this was it. Yeah. Yeah, very fresh.
Thank you.
Thank you.